Hi Ray, this is Sophie. Mike told me that you wanted me to give you the correct pronunciation of the cognac to which you are going to make a video. So it's called Courvoisier. Courvoisier. So you say cognac Courvoisier. Cognac Courvoisier. There you go. I hope it helps and I'm looking forward to see the video. Bye.
Hey there, how you doing? Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. Today I want to tell you about Courvoisier Cognac. It's a young cognac, it's a VS. It's kind of like, I don't want to say it's a poor man's Hennessy, but it's a little less expensive than Hennessy. It's actually a little bit less aged. It's like I said, it's a very young cognac. It's like $28 usually. I got it on sale for $25. But I got a little, you can see the color of it right here. Got a nice amber color to it. The nose gets off like some apricots. Like a lot of fruit smells. It's got a good taste to it, you know. Unlike Hennessy, Hennessy gives me a little bit of a burn. This doesn't. But you know what? This is best to use in drinks. When you get a VS, I have other cognacs that are a little more aged. Those you want to just drink straight like this. When you get something like this, it's a VS, and it's not real expensive. It's best used in drinks. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you two different drinks with this. So stick around. Hey there, okay, back behind the bar. Okay, like I told you, I'm going to show you some simple cocktails you can make with Courvoisier Cognac. Now, this is a very simple, you know what? Before I get started, I know I got a lot of new subscribers, people that don't know me, and I figured I might give you a little backstory on me real quick. A long time ago, I was in a serious car accident. I was actually in a coma for 33 days. After drinking and driving. I didn't want to give up drinking. I decided to start making cocktails at home, years down the road. I thought maybe I could show you how easy it is to enjoy simple cocktails at home without having to go out and drink and drive. Okay? So the whole idea here is simple cocktails at home. You can't go much more simple than this. This is a 2-ingredient cocktail. This is your cognac, and this is Amaretto. This is your French Connection. Now, supposedly this was named after the 1971 movie with Gene Hackman, where he was Papa Doyle, chasing some drug runners in Paris or something. And they called it the French Connection. And it was named after that, but I don't know how it got named after that, because we're using Italian liqueur. Okay, whatever. That's what it's named, that's what it's named. I'm going to show you how easy it is, okay? So the first thing we want to do is we want to get ourselves... Now my ice maker is still on the fritz. I got a new one. It's supposed to make clear ice cubes. It's really cool. I'll have to show you when I get it. But I haven't got it installed yet, so I'm going to make something that uses ice balls out of my freezer. Okay. And the ice balls are really good for something like this. Okay. Drop yourself a nice old big ice ball in there. Now, it's simply 1.5 to 1. Can't get much more simple than that. Okay, 1.5 of your Courvoisier Cognac. I got my little shot glass there, the 1 and 1.5 and 1, and a little thumbnail thing so I can flip it easy. And then just one part of your Amaretto. Now you can adjust this as you go. If you think it's too sweet, you can back off on the Amaretto. If you think it's You can either back off in the Amaretto, you can pour a little more cognac in it. You can back off in one or the other. Okay, then we're simply going to put a peel of an orange in there. Well, you know what? Let's give it a good stir first. Some people like to shake this, but I don't think it's necessary. 2 ingredients. What are we shaking? There's no there's no fruit juices. This works just as well because it's just as cold. With that ice ball in there. So I hope you check out some of my other videos. If you want to, you can check out the video that explains my accident, how I came back from a 33-day coma. Check out some of the cognac ones that I made in there. I explained the aging system. This is a VS, which is the youngest of your cognac. Okay. And there's espresso oils in there. Squirt yourself in the face and drop it on in there. Let's give that a whirl. Wow. I like that. That's really good. It's a good after dinner drink. I think if you try one, you would like it as well. So anyways, this Amaretto I got on my haul at Binny's. This Gozio Amaretto, I really like this stuff. You know, and this Courvoisier Cognac is really, really versatile. I mean, it goes in so many other drinks. Straight is not bad, but it's best mixed in drinks. I mean, this is top notch. Wow. Like I say, we're gonna make it in next time. Make another drink, and I'll show you just how easy you can make this in different drinks. So hang with me for a bit, okay? I'll see you in a bit. Hey, so this last drink I want to show you is the Sidecar. Now the Sidecar has been around since the Prohibition era of the United States. When everybody went over, since they couldn't sell alcohol in the United States, they went over to Europe. So a lot of good drinks were invented in Europe. And this, I think, is one of them. Now there are a couple different stories of how this drink got its name. Some people say that there was a guy who came to the Eiffel Tower in a sidecar all the time, came to Harry's bar in France, and he came in a sidecar. Then there's another story that says, no, it's for when people make this drink, they always have stuff left over in their shaker, and they pour the extra stuff off in a shot glass, which is called a sidecar. I don't know. Anyways, let's just get to the drink, huh? Okay, so this drink uses Courvoisier VS Cognac, a little bit of Cointreau, and then some lemon juice. And then I'm going to do a peel of orange in there. Now you can substitute different things. I mean, you can use the other triple sec, but I found the Cointreau works the best in this, and that's what the drink's called for. So that's what we're going to use. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is 1.5 ounces of your Courvoisier Cognac. Put that in our shaker. Let the last little bit run off. The next thing we're going to do is 1 ounce of Cointreau orange liqueur. Now this would be a good time to ask you, I sure would like if you would subscribe to me, and if you hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, it gives you, it notifies you every time I put out fresh content, which is good, right? Okay, then we're simply going to throw a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice in there. Now I recommend, I grab my wife's mixing glass out of her cabinets. This is better for squeezing your lemon juice, and otherwise it gets all over the place. It's a big wide opening, and we can pour it in there from there. So we're just going to use 1/2 of lemon juice. Okay, grab some ice and throw it in our shaker tin. not going to use my hands. What a barbarian. Okay. Even though I got a scooper right there. Okay. Give that a shake for like 10 seconds, 10, 11 seconds. Oh, you know what? First thing I want to do is I want to get a coupe glass. Get a coupe glass out of our freezer, getting cold. Grab a coupe glass out of your freezer. And I'm just going to take 1/2 of the lime wedge and I'm going to rub it on the corner there. Rub it around the corner. And then we're simply going to put in our sugar. Now the sugar, you can if you don't want to use the sugar, you don't have to, but the sugar kind of balances out the sweetness of the drink. Or the tartness of the alcohol, put it that way. So we'll give it a nice sugar rim. Okay, give this a shake for like 10, 11 seconds. Sorry for that, it's hard to look serious when you're shaking. Okay, and grab a strainer. Strain that in our coupe glass. Oh yeah, that's looking good, Ray. Okay, and then we're simply going to grab our orange, grab our peeler, and peel off a good piece of orange. Espresso oils in the drink. And drop it in there. That's our garnish. Okay, let's check that out. Let's give that a whirl. Oh, that's delightful, man. You get the sugar rim on there, and then you get the cognac and the orange flavor. It's excellent. You got to try one of these, man. I really want you to try one of these. It is so easy to make. You just saw me make it. I saw how easy it was. But I want you to send me back a comment. Let me know how you like it. Let me know, do you like the Italian Connection? Do you like cognac? Do you like sidecars? Let me know what you think, man. I really want to know. I gotta have another hit up there. Oh, baby. Anyways, like I keep telling you, you got to realize, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll see you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later.